BRP's Rotax aircraft engines. Powerful, light, efficient. BRP is the world's leading supplier of engines for ultralight and lightweight aircraft. Our Rotax aircraft engines offer outstanding performance, continued reliability, and the highest standard in quality. At BRP, we have over 20 years of experience and have invested several million euros in research and development, which has allowed us to create efficient, eco-performing engines. BRP's Rotax 912IS engine sets new standards in modern design and leads the light aviation market. It is an air and liquid-cooled 4-stroke 4-cylinder engine. This powerful and innovative engine offers 100 horsepower and a time between overhauls of 2,000 hours. What makes Rotax 4-stroke aircraft engines unique? Rotax aircraft engines have a reduction gearbox equipped with a damping device to minimize torsional vibration. Based on the optimized RPM setting of the propeller, it provides outstanding efficiency and reduced noise. The Rotax 912 and 914 series are also well regarded for their leading class power to weight ratios. Because BRP uses built crankshafts, it allows the company to design compact, low-weight engines. The most substantial change in the Rotax 912IS is a new fuel injection system and an electronic control unit, ECU. The fuel injection system is controlled individually via 2 redundant injectors per cylinder. The 912IS is BRP's first fully electronic fuel-injected engine, designed specifically for the light aviation market. Let's have a closer look at the details of the ECU. The ECU controls the fuel and air mixture electronically and is implemented redundantly in order to ensure higher levels of safety. With the 912IS, you will have the appropriate fuel-air mixture at every altitude. The result is an eco-performing engine with reduced fuel consumption and carbon emissions. The ECU also allows easy maintenance, like in the automotive industry. You can connect your laptop to the ECU, which makes maintenance of the 912IS more professional. All the engine information is electronically transmitted to your display in the cockpit via the CAN aerospace bus. The internal power supply unit offers an improved electric performance of 430 watt. The engine has a modern and innovative design and is offered as a power pack version. This power pack includes the 912IS engine as well as the exhaust in a complete package, allowing you to install the 912IS a lot quicker by attaching it to the 4 contact points of the suspension frame, plus the 4 engine systems: cooling liquid, oil, fuel air intake, and electronics. One of BRP's top priorities is to deliver fuel-efficient, eco-responsible technology without sacrificing the performance factor for the ultimate flight. Professional, high-quality service, cutting-edge research, light, reliable, and powerful engines are what you get for flying with one of BRP's Rotax aircraft engines. With our aircraft engines, you are clearly in the best hands. So, what is stopping you from flying with the winners? Fly with Rotax.